On June 19, 2024, at 1:43 a.m., a Florida Highway Patrol trooper spotted a light blue Toyota Corolla blazing past at over 100 miles per hour in a 60 zone on interstate. The driver, Jeremy Alfonso Russell, ignored multiple chances to stop, weaving through traffic as he sped onto Interstate 275. Determined to end the chase, the trooper pursued.
Hey, 275 northbound. Bar 554, 4 Bravo Mike, supervised traffic. Bar light traffic, entering northbound 35, you might speed.
Russell's reckless maneuvers left the trooper no choice but to perform a precision immobilization technique, PIT, forcing the Corolla into a concrete barrier. But Russell wasn't done. He continued to flee.
Vehicle taking off again northbound. I'm coming up to 275 to my 4 now. Number 440. 18440, if you continue on a little. 52. Northbound, south 46. Taking exit 46 Bravo.
The pursuit resumed and concluded on SR 874 when a second PIT maneuver successfully disabled the vehicle. Officers quickly apprehended Russell and his 3 passengers at gunpoint.
Give us 94, 1018 from Tampa PD. 10-4, 10-84, 1018, TPD.
On December 17, 2023, a patrol officer at Racetrack Floridax heard a loud exhaust from a Dodge Charger and began investigating. Spotting 2 Chargers at West Blue Heron Boulevard and North Military Trail, the officer followed the light gray Charger without activating emergency lights. The suspect's vehicle sped through red lights and turned onto North Jog Road, running a red light and nearly causing accidents. On a nerve-wracking day in Ohio, a blue Honda Civic transformed into a dangerous menace as it barreled down US 62 through Harrisburg. With reports flooding in about the reckless driving, the Ohio State Highway Patrol and Pickaway Sheriff's Office quickly established a perimeter around 5 Points Pike, anticipating the vehicle's path.
Northbound. North on Main. Down the yard. She's blocked in now. She's blocked in now. Put your hands up! Ma'am. That's just south of the school. She is currently drinking a beer.
Okay, on beer.
I busted out her driver's side window.
Okay, so yeah, that's getting on 22 instead of 14.
School and church, east on church.
The relentless pursuit finally ended with Thornton's capture. She was transported to Berger by Southwest Pickaway Fire, where she received medical attention for facial lacerations sustained during the frenzied escapade. On January 28, 2024, at 3:45 a.m., an officer spotted a gold Jeep Patriot with a loose Arkansas temporary tag speeding down Interstate 40. When signaled to pull over, the driver responded by flooring the gas, reaching speeds of 110 miles per hour.
Still within 24. To the right of Schiller. Heading north on Schiller. 822. To the left on 24. Being a right on Church Street. Heading left on Park. No traffic. Left on Park. Pass between 30. 848. No traffic. Engine stay right there for you. We're going north on Park. 860. No traffic. To the left on right road.
The pursuit raged on across Interstate 40 and through city streets as the Jeep tried to escape by cutting its lights. Yet, it remained in sight.
Left on Jones, heading back south on Jones, toward the borough. No, we're going through a parking lot, heading north on Jones. Heading north on Jones, traffic 13. Taking a left, heading westbound on 16, dead end.
The chase took a dangerous turn when the Jeep collided with the officer's vehicle on West 16th Street.
one more. I'm driving down to this.
The pursuit came to an abrupt end as the officer's patrol car veered into a yard, slamming into two parked vehicles. Despite the crash, the officer immediately reported the incident, ensuring no detail was overlooked. What you're about to witness is no Hollywood fantasy. It's a real-life, adrenaline-pumping chase through the narrow, winding streets of Osasco, Brazil. This high-stakes drama began with a motorcyclist defying the law by popping wheelies and speeding recklessly through bustling streets. When a motorcycle officer attempted to intervene, the biker decided it was time to turn up the heat. As the pursuit intensified, the biker darted down increasingly narrow, one-way streets, pushing the limits of both his bike and the officer's determination. In a dramatic twist, the biker finally took refuge inside a house. But this act of desperation only marked a new chapter in a relentless chase. The pursuit was far from over, and the police were closing in on their quarry. On May 22, 2021, in Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, a routine traffic stop turned chaotic. An officer spotted a reckless driver, but when the lights flashed, the suspect sped off.
I got one car on fire.
Racing through a red light, the fleeing car crashed into another vehicle, escalating the pursuit to a dangerous level.
I got a male black driver unconscious at the wheel. Female who he is conscious and breathing.
What situation in today's video impressed you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for always accompanying the channel, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications to continue enjoying the upcoming interesting videos. Goodbye, and see you again soon.